So this is how you can convert Keynote to PDF from iPad. Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on your iPad, just go to your Keynote presentation as usual. You can open it up through the official app like that. And in order to convert it to PDF, you need to tap on the share icon at the top of the page. Make sure that it's set to send a copy, right? And you can click on the export and send button below, right? So when you click on this, it will open up a new window, which lets you pick a different format for your presentation, right? So in our case, if we want to export it as PDF, you can click on the PDF, right? Like this. You can also decide in which shape it will be exported, because obviously it's a presentation, so you can only have one slide per page, or even multiple of them, or even the text or whatever, right? So you can see it kind of just behaves based on how you set it up. Also, plenty of settings, like you can include the comments, slide numbers, a background, right? So many effects. Also choose the image quality to get the best size. Of course, the best quality of the PDF, and also choose the slides that you want. But at the end of the day, when you export it, you'll be able to save it somewhere to your files, right? Or whatever you decide to do with it. Just click on a save to files, or just share it directly with someone. But you essentially just turned the Keynote presentation into an actual PDF. So that's how it would work. Let me know in the comments below if you made it successfully function on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.